Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode of The Walk and Talk. Yeah, we finally got a couple of knives in. I hope you caught the other Pena X-Series knives, and this is the follow-up video of that. We're going to do a little bit of a comparison because we have two of them in here. So this may be the video you have been waiting for. So we got the Spider Go Paramilitary 2 out here. Loving this one. So got another one in here. So without further ado, we're going to get to this. Hope I'm finding you well. I'd like to thank you guys for just stopping in, hanging out with me for a little while to do this little unboxing here and check out this little sweetie in this box. I hope we don't, oh guys, look what we have here. Peanuts. We got peanuts. Is this, where's this from? Where's this from? Yeah, GPK, I knew it. They send me peanuts every time. What are we gonna do? Oh yeah. And we're indoors again. It's July, it's 2020, and it's super hot outside, too hot for me. I hope you guys have been checking out the range videos that we've been doing. Burning up there. Oh, we got classified info on this one. I'm gonna have to get that off here. Get that off. Stickers, I like stickers. GPK there, sticker there, nothing else in the box, just peanuts. Save those for later. So we got another Pena here. We got the other one right here. Look at that. What a little beauty this one is. We'll set that right there for now. Do a little comparison. I was just gonna lump both of these into the same video, but with knife videos kind of sporadic as they are right now, we gotta tax them for everything we can get out of them. So, find our little opening here. There it is. These are kind of like mystery boxes here. There we go. There's our cleaning cloth. Our slip smells like leather in here already. I can smell it. Another Pena sticker there. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to try to con my way into getting one of these out from the owner and supporter of the channel. Look at that green micarta, or not micarta, G10. Sorry, thought I was opening up a GEC here. Anyways, let's get her out of here. I love some green G10. OD green. I'm assuming that's an OD color there. Looks it to me. Put that over there. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Just compared to that jigging on this one. Look at that. Little beauties. Little beauties. These, and if you guys are wondering, I should put this in my videos, you know, especially with the newer knives that I get. A lot of knives I get are, some of them are secondhand on the secondhand market, but these are running around 160, 164-ish it seems. Only 200 of each, I believe, is made, so M390 on the blade still there, so we'll set this one right here for right now. We've done seen that one. If you hadn't seen that video, go check the video out. Anyways, let's take a look around her here. Look at that. Now we got titanium hardware on these. Phosphorus bronze washers. This one has black liners in it, black G10 liners. Look at that. M390 on the blade still, I believe I already mentioned that. Compare those liners to that orange. That orange just pops. Look at that. Very nice. Let's open her up. That's snappy, snappy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that feels great. That just feels wonderful. Very, just crisp. Just a crisp drop on that blade right there. Check that Spearpoint out. That ground in switch there. This beauty. Look at that. Very nice. There's some fingerprints on it there. That is a little beauty right there, guys. And in comparison here on the pull there, I forgot to do the pull on this video right here on the black one there. That pull is probably about a 6.5, close to a 7. That drop is snappy right there. Nice, this nice little half stop right there. You can hear it. It's got some snap to it. Very nice. Dogs are barking here. So there we are. I think it's thundering a little bit outside. The dogs don't like thunder. This one seems, that's about a 6. It's a little, just a tad lighter than this one. I think that drops a little snappier on that one. So this one's got a little snappier spring in it there. But look at those two right there. We'll do the size there, or size and weight there for you. You know, it's probably gonna be the same as the other one. If the scales will come on, there we are. They're finicky. There we go, yeah. 62.2, I think the other one, this was 60.0, I think. Can't really remember, we'll check it. All right, it's right on 60. You got a little less material on there with that jigging on there. So there's your weights in grams there. Size is gonna be the same, but we'll do it for, just because we ain't got anything else better to do. So we'll give you the cutting edge here. Should fall right there on 3. Or just under 3, that's the total on the blade's 3. The cutting edge is right there on 65. 2.65, that's your cutting edge. Here's your overall blade. It's right on 3. So we know that, okay? Find my stuff here. And we should be just under 7. Just over 6 3/4. Just under 7 on overall length. Very nice. And there's your overall closed. So that's got that. And we'll go a little step further in this video. Look what I got out here. Be careful with this because these are not mine. So back here on your tang, there you go. Up here to just before the tip here. Barely touch that. So there you are coming down to the tip. Oh, I moved it. Should have locked it. There we go. Gotta be careful with this because this stuff is not mine. There we go, right there on 84. And it just drops on down there on the tip. So I can just give you a little idea of the blade there. Anyways, guys, this is a beauty. I love that green. I love some green linen micarta, green G10. My Bark River Gunny Hunter is green canvas. Kind of looks gray, but it's a green canvas. What a beauty. I'll give you a little comparison, and we'll wrap this one up here. So there you are on the back side there. You are on the front. This nice little knives. Let me know if you scored one of these. Only 200 of each variation there made or produced. So let me know if you scored one of these, what you think about them. These tend to be pretty popular videos on my channel, so a lot of people like them. Very nice. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap up the Pena X-Series on here on the Hillbilly Nitro channel. So yeah, there's Spearpoint, slip joint, satin finish. Yeah, okay. Make sure I got you all the info. So I thank you guys for tuning in, and thanks for coming by and hanging out with me, guys. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace. See you guys.